Hi traders, today is 19th of July 2019. This is live trading day trade for WTI crude oil. So as you can see, we're just entering at 10 a.m. New York time. New York time 10 a.m. So my local time is 10 p.m. So I'm 12 hours ahead. So this is a US session trading strategy for scalping the market. So market just begin. This is when I start to find any entry. So at this moment there's no signal, and the market is quite volatile, and there's a large volume of 100 and 400 been seen. For example here, 55.72, there's a 400 queue is waiting. So this inside this video you will find um, a day trade strategy, as you see in my other video. So you will see as well inside here. So every day we will scalp the market around 100 ticks or more, mostly more than 200 or sometimes 400 or 500 within a few minutes or within 1 hour time. So this is a quick strategy. So let's wait and see for tonight, I mean morning in your time, whether we can get entry, whether it's a buy or sell. So we'll see in the next few minutes, maybe in 30 minutes time. So I'll pause this video, we'll continue later on. Okay guys, we got some entry. I have a signal for buy position at 55.76. So which is at this moment, there's two quite interesting point to for a profit, which is at 55.84 and 55.92. So it's a quick strategy. Let's hope the price will go as quick as we hope. And at this moment you can see this is the buying area. So I will exit somewhere here, also somewhere here. So there's two options for the exit in terms of the profit. Okay, so let me enlarge it so we can see. Okay, so in terms of the volume, let's take a look. There's a high volume at 55.72, but I'm waiting at 55.76, and there's also high volume at 55.84, which is where I will exit. Quite interesting. There's another two more level at 55.88, 55.92. So this is all a good price level for exit, but I will exit the first one, so I don't have to be greedy, because it's like my day salary. If I enter with one lot, and should be around 80 US dollar, or maybe you can choose two lot. So let's increase it into 85. Yeah, I will exit at 55.85. So should be around $90. It was a quick one. Oh, that's also quite interesting price level at 55.92. So as for yesterday, let's take a look. Yesterday was July 18. So we have profit, net profit of 728 after deduction of the commission and fees. And we have three trades. If you watch my video yesterday, there's London session trading 2 entry I made, and 1 US session entry. So overall it just took me around 36 minutes for the trading. So it was a good day yesterday, 700 US dollar. But for today we won't go much, because today is the last day of this week, and I'm expecting for a quick buck, and we'll enter the market. So right now it looks interesting. Okay, we are in the market. Okay, 10, 20, 30 US dollar. Could be a quick one, hopefully a quick one. So the highest have been it's 30 US dollar. So we are already in the market. So there's a large volume, and market became very volatile at this moment. So we hoped for a quick exit, and I will stand by for stop loss somewhere here. Okay, it looks very fast. Okay, we are already 60 US dollar, quite easy for one lot. So if you have more capacity, you can trade 2 or 3 more lots, so 200. Okay, we have filled already exit the market, so 90 US dollar, and it keep growing into 92. So if you watch my video just now, what I mentioned, 55.92 is quite interesting, so I prove my point. This trading setup is quite easy. It's a daily trade. So let's take a look on the activity log. So I did enter at 22:19 and my local time. So New York time is 10:19 in the morning, so my local time is midnight night time. So yeah, not even 1 minute. If you watch this time, not even 1 minute, so I consider it 1 minute for uh, some small profit of 90 US dollar. So but the market did go further, another 4 more ticks, so should be 100 plus. So if you're trading 2 or 3 lots, so 300 or 500 US dollar, much more easier tonight. So this is less than 1 minute. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe this channel, and there's a more video you can learn. There's also link in the description. I also providing an online course about this technique. Only at this moment, still working on it, and we'll finish by maybe September or next few weeks. So subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.